Hey, I'm Brandon Babcock, and this is my new song called Cold Winds for my debut album, Love Takes Forever. I hope you enjoy. So I follow the cold winds passing through. Somehow they keep blowing straight from you. 'Cause I'm trying to move on and find me something new. Oh, these winds of change keep calling me back to you. So go and find something new. I want nothing to do with you. Of change keep calling my name, I know. I follow a dangerous road. All these winds keep calling me back to you. So what'll I do? Hot warm air blows in through your windowsill. From the warmth of my touch of my hands when we were near. And as you lay in your bed and you reminisce, I know there are some things you miss. About my touch, about my love, about my loving arms. Oh. Darling, I don't miss you. Cold winds calling my name. I swear, girl, I'll never be the same. Cold winds calling my name. These winds of change keep calling my name. Keep calling my name. Thank you.